Yeah, guys, well, Asia McLean Chapman took to Twitter to voice her disappointment. This morning, she posted a 15-minute live interview where she was, as you'll see, pretty upset at times. She says the bigger story is what she sees as injustice for Adnan Syed, but Chapman admits that this has taken a toll on her, too.
I mean, come on, that is like such BS. It's such BS.
It was a trip to the grocery store that quickly became derailed. Asia McLean Chapman went live on Twitter this morning from her car in a parking lot. She had just received word that Adnan Syed, a man she knew from high school, wouldn't be getting a new trial.
I just can't even believe what is going on with our criminal justice system.
Syed's story was chronicled in the hit 2014 podcast Serial that set download records at the time. Syed was convicted in the 1999 killing of his ex-girlfriend, Heyman Lee, in Baltimore. He had questioned prosecutors' evidence and said he had an alibi. That alibi? He was speaking with Chapman at a library when the murder took place.
A person can't be in two places at one time. So if you acknowledge that he was with me, how can you say that it would make no difference on the case?
In its ruling, Maryland's Court of Appeals said that Syed's lawyer at the time of his murder trial was deficient because she didn't interview Chapman. But the court ruled that it essentially wouldn't have made a difference, something Chapman spoke out on.
That you think that I'm credible and you acknowledge the fact that it wasn't done by the book and that she was wrong for not contacting me, but then to say that you don't think it would make a difference makes no sense. It makes no sense to me.
The decision was timely. HBO is set to release a documentary series on Syed this Sunday, and Chapman is reportedly featured in it. She spoke with us in 2016 about her experience with the Serial podcast and how her life was affected.
I do all of this just to try to do the right thing, and here I am being vilified.
She echoed that this morning, saying she's received negative pushback from those who say Syed is guilty. That's resulted in anxiety and depression.
This is just a dagger in my heart, on a personal level. Because it just feels like all the growing and all the changing that I had to do was like, for what?
I did touch base with McLean Chapman earlier today. She declined any additional comments, saying she was still having a rough time with today's events. An attorney for Syed reportedly said in a statement that they are devastated by the news, but plan to continue fighting his conviction. In the newsroom, Taylor Vito, KRAM 2 News.